fight night 1 and 2 yeah they akwa kogu na mom yanka IMAX boxing promotions
yes
hwan na so asene edi kan na fe yamra hwan belcola ne hwan
yes entina me da say e wo ho Joy ubi sa me boxing in sema IMAX boxing promotions omo na omo aso ade we yeah started yes CCI was season 3 entina yeah the season 2 seasons ene ye wie and CCI na de yeah kan dia Bell 7 Star Professional Boxing League. Sisi a Bell 7 Star. Sisi a omo no ma ba headline sponsors sisi a omo no ma so mu sisi a no boxing Professional Boxing League no me ba but IMAX boxing promotion and omo promote this boxing hub we Ghana na me fa akunya we so na ma da IMAX boxing promotions in Penifo no e free the CEO Mr. Maxwell Techi, Mr. Sefas Techi, Mr. Ricky Anoche and gurus ni nyina o ma so from season 1 to now o ma ya there pa because boxing ya dia din pa say obetumi ayeden obetumi e dey aba this limelight way na even so kwa amanone a promoters omuntimi and stage fight over like should I say 10 fights in a year.
Wow.
Promoter be to me here.
Sikasem no and logistics.
I tell you Joy, sikasem no woman a dozen. So for IMAX boxing promotions into mean stage fights for over 20 fights in a year. Something o my yard dear pint say e ball my basso e won penny for ade o metimi dey ato ho a o dey aba na also make car na e was say me bo Ghana Boxing Authority GBA so abaso so mo gina ho no mo sanction no mo hwe bibia ye Mr. Abraham court Nico any official so mo so omo boa now na mami mbonra mu fight night 1 ewie fight night 2 enso so ewie sisi a be call fight night 3 na fight night 3 no emeka se obia embra Bukom Boxing Arena ho na so open boxing asha that is in Accra no ko ho na obetimi nya boxing everything about boxing is at the Bukom Boxing Arena na fight night 3 no enika sem anase niam bekom na edos ye pa because sisi ano new gyms aba joining the Professional Boxing League no mature air complex for discipline gym near the ade nya aba joining this league way now the defending champions Ghana Army season 2 na etwemu no defending champions omo no me Ghana Army omo and omo nya the best gym enti no omo de sisi an omo brag say this season 3 no ombesan so ayede ombesan so afabium but ye be hwe sana ebesi akono because so o hwe sisi a gym so maba be ka ho a omo so no omo person be di agro omo so my omo ho say this time around omo so no they will try as much as possible say they will also give fight to other gyms even po Ghana Army sisi ono person o defend the title no of season 2 Professional Boxing League into enjoy this coming Saturday Bukom Boxing Arena me catch obi asa obi ambra ye can boxing na bi ni mu fee say boxing there in crime phone kwa na epe
anka be bebusa say mu ko ha en crime phone pe na ba ho and so many other people eba ho Joy ebi ni mu e free even outside Ghana eba wow
enjoy. Well, internet is not only say okay gas pay and I say crime for pen
outside Ghana any who komo if that means say near na the papa because maybe me say me share me who say obi every krobi was it Togo say bibi
yes e binimu free Ethiopia Rwanda Germany London you know a lot of places are in Kofa but US nya omu free hoba even there was a time some Canadian guys be kwampu ba ho we asked them almost say yes they really enjoy it and we even went further to ask them say have they really felt this kind of atmosphere that almost say oh yes they have gone to places but back Ghana has say Bukom Boxing Arena no the atmosphere no different
wow
very different and you know I believe say idea now if you get people coming outside Ghana now omutime ba na omobe enjoy omo home share boxing they entertain themselves e wo ho na so omutime ma positive feedback e che say ade ayeye no ekoyi pa
say yen hwe fight night 3 no e de na ye hwe ni mu
ye hwe fight night 3 parents na be ba no enika sem e wo ho because o hwe standings na standings na be cost no but ma memfa nkofunko the parents ne say na be si akono ti say na ye hu e wo your screen so no Ghana Prisons and Black Panthers ene ebehia na Bridge ene Sonia de oma ka bom into almost omo ne panics ene ebehia na afei ye call the next one Fit Squares ne seconds out omo ne Sea View Gym ene nsusu behia Discipline Gym omo new entrance omo ne Akotoku ene nsusu edibesi eni ewo ho Atokwahye ene Ghana Army the defending champions omo so omo dibesi eni ewo ho ena Wisdom Gym Dr. Oforiasare ono ene ehwe Wisdom Gym omo ne Palm Springs ene Complex 4 so new entrance omo so omo aba ka ho ewo ho intino season 3 Fight Night 3 na me ya do mo china ewo Bukom Boxing Arena no say and appearance no ebesi akono ewo ho make about Wisdom Gym Dr. Oforiasare na eho no so kwa a lot of the amateur boxers no ewo ho na amateur boxers na ewo ho say Dr. Oforiasare ono no coach for the Black Bombers sisi about abeka say sisi ano boys no more amateur boxing no sisi ano be translate and so be move from amateur aba professional boxing and it's something good for Ghana boxing and I can't remember say Fight Night one you know Theophilus Papo Alote onu say no amateur boxer or no waba in the professional and you could see the glimpses of Nema Otimeya is good for Ghana boxing. So I believe these are the things chef for Ghana boxing. You know, a lot of people have fought in the amateur, but when it gets to the professional, maybe I know we need a lot of fights. So this will help them exhibit their talent in the professional side. You see, I share standings. They say in standings no akwakoye ewo Panics Gym after Fight Night 2 no. Ono ene we din kan or with 6 points ena Atokwahye etoso mienu or 6 points wo Ghana Army omo ena omo defending champions isi omo so omo 4 points ewo ho eno che say ono we winning one fight ena wa draw back one and our face Complex 4 new entrance omo ne Palm Springs na omo so omo toso 4th wo omo so omo 4 points Bridge and Sonia etoso fit wo with 3 points na Black Panthers ababeto so insia ewo ho ono ewo 3 points e che say ono we winning one fight we lose one fight. Sisi ayeko enim to the 7th position hona na che Sea View and ewo with 3 points. Wisdom Gym Dr. Oforiasare Gym no ono so etoso 8 or ono so ewo 3 points ewo ho. Na for the new entrance Discipline Gym ono 1 point. Che say out of 2 fights now akono we lose back and we draw back ewo ho. Fit Square any seconds out etoso edu ewo ho no 1 point. Akotoku Gym where one of the traditional gyms Ghana has said but say yako 2 fights na ohwe bebia omoda na enye unse omu ni point behind here say Fight Night 3 say Akotoku gyms omu tie mi me pese Fight Night 3 no mu kire bibi ewo ho and afesu so gym ba kwa meka ho asem Ghana Prisons Prisons isi as ohwe bebia omoda enye yako 2 fights omu wini emu bia enso anka Ghana Prisons there can say boxers mbema utimi say yes omu so omu krabi ba o hwe omu nuan mu ba ko Ghana Army there omu de omatwe omu enso Ghana Prisons omu start ye nti hwe say Fight Night 3 no ebia na Ghana Prisons omu ache bibi ewo ho enti no Joy nyame ya do mo china de ebeye ni kasem ewo ho enti ne me catch obi ase me fan kan kaka
every
all right me kan and shada anye but me for
when I working 50% 25% we still want to hear it mini buy no nyanjeshin
wo Fight Night 3 ba fe gbe ye Bukom Boxing Arena wo nyami me nyembo mitwe ona mabajen nken gurus babajen woba ni woba fe boxing ona ni
ni yo buko ke hemi bank buko ke gym self one change fe akachi Fight Night 3 banowa ya Bukom Boxing Arena wonder IMAX boxing promotions ke Bell 7 star ni energy drink
yes
ko baje be oba nueku bo na hiwale ona be afe boxing wa gbo money ewa
akutuku kanipi komen ya no una nie wo intino sana be kon intino Joy you know people come there and they come and enjoy themselves because boxing comes with entertainment
it does
want intino obi wo ha ebi a punches ne se na esi koso no ebi ana on sheda penisa but you know even aside the boxing we have side attraction you know we have this musicians are omo femu ebeto nyoma ejinja the atmosphere we have either choreographies bi a omo so mutimi ba omo timi besa any idea you know that is all part of boxing. Boxing is a sport. It's a disciplined sport. It's a combat sport. But after the combat sport, we have some musical interlude. Kakra, it's me. Kakra.
Boxing kakra, nyom kakra, entertainment kakra.
Buko bankumu nyina be femu come rough be sunny idea. You know, it's all part of the entertainment aspect of boxing. Internet say who tie me na na say so hwe me na. Yami adomo china. Ewo Bukom Boxing Arena. Munyina mumbra 8:30 pepepe. Na akensi no a start. We air the Bell 7-Star Professional Boxing League Season 3. Na yeda IMAX Boxing Promotions ase. Say oma so eyesade we mu every fortnight. The boxing at the Bremo Ewo Bukom Boxing Arena.
DJ N1 opeye da CP so abeka ye ho. Novella Ladies enso so ombeba ho.
Oh sa.
Novella Ladies so ombeba ho.
Okay.
Enti mumomode ya say munyina bebochi na mwaba Bukom Boxing Arena na mubehu na kuturuku papa ni aye di aboa Ghana boxing na say ye ko Olympics aye hu so papa any international ba say no buenu betumi aboa
exactly
betumi aboa Hanesi talent ankasa yi na matisi ye say promoting kit will be first 100 people no ya na ye say omunya bibi no kre
oh yes oba akudie bi da ho ma it's first 100 people so oba ye wo bibi kakre bi ade emamo what you say inti na make say fight night 3 ne de bibi sonko bi ebesi ewo
push for more don't settle for less
what you say
wow first 100 people who be no ade fe papa
na come dey tell na come dey tell inti na come make say anka na we ado mo ochna ne de bibi sonko bi besi ewo
ye fan na ake first 100 people ni baba Bukom Boxing Arena war 8:30 8:30
yeah
mo fe mo ba na first 100 people the banana drink 7-Star Bell 7-Star energy drink ye like she is number 1 e wo ye fe nye ba koni wo fe wo hwe na ahwe be anofio ba lafio adofio
ona she won fe nibi baba o fio
everyone DJ NY ne point about 11 o'clock obesan ba Max TV so now the sports boxing details ni nyina bro na ya tie Max 89.7 obi bo reggae papa bi we Max Sports Park na reggae papa ya ono na bo reggae no nti ya for feed into from 12 kono obeti reggae thank you
and the wire on the sports farm
ah itasa obesra mi a wanya mane